every man for himself. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Every man for himself means that in certain situations, we need to rely only on ourselves and do what is necessary to survive and thrive. To apply this proverb to our lives, we can start by taking responsibility for our own actions and decisions. This means not relying on others to solve our problems or make things happen for us. Additionally, we can focus on developing our own skills and talents so that we can be self-sufficient and successful in any situation. We can also learn to adapt and be resilient in the face of challenges, knowing that we have the strength and determination to overcome them on our own. Ultimately, every man for himself means taking control of our own lives and not waiting for someone else to come to our rescue. By doing so, we can create our own luck, navigate the difficult times, and achieve our goals. It may not always be easy, but the reward of true independence and freedom is well worth the effort. Every man for himself also means being aware of our surroundings and recognizing potential threats or opportunities. We need to be prepared for unexpected situations and have a plan for how to handle them on our own. This is especially important in times of crisis or uncertainty, when outside help may not be available or reliable. At the same time, we should not completely shut ourselves off from the world or ignore the needs and concerns of others. We can still reach out for help or support when necessary, but we should never rely on others as our only source of help or guidance. Ultimately, every man for himself means taking responsibility for our own lives and striving for self-reliance and self-sufficiency. By doing so, we can become stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to handle whatever challenges come our way. Every man for himself also means setting goals and working towards them with focus and determination. We can create a plan for our lives, set milestones, and track our progress towards achieving our dreams. This requires discipline, hard work, and perseverance, but the rewards are immense. By embracing the spirit of every man for himself, we can also cultivate a sense of independence, an inner strength that carries over into every aspect of our lives. We can learn to trust ourselves, rely on our own judgment, and make decisions with confidence. This can lead to greater happiness, fulfillment, and success in all areas of our lives. In summary, every man for himself is a powerful reminder that we are ultimately responsible for our own lives and destinies. By embracing this mindset, we can cultivate self-reliance, resilience, and inner strength that will serve us well in all situations. So let us take control of our lives, pursue our goals with passion, and create a future that is truly our own. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.